Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lenses. My name is YÖNLER. Today, I would like to help you learn how to use directions in Turkish. For the title here, we say yönler. Yönler. Ler is the plural form of directions in Turkish, which is as here. Yönler. Now, let's start with the first of all directions, left, right, corner, ahead, back in Turkish. Let's see here. Left, we say in Turkish, sol, sağ, köşe, ileri, geri. Let's repeat one more time. Sol, sağ, köşe, ileri, geri. Now, let's see here with prepositions, for example, you can say on the left, on the right, on the corner. But I just wrote down this on the head, on the back, which, we use the same way as on the on in Turkish. That's why I just put it here. Probably this is not used in English. I'm not sure. I'm not a native speaker, but just in case, for you while you are learning Turkish language, that's why I just put this here. If it's wrong, please let me know. So here, solda or soldan, we say in Turkish. Solda or soldan. Okay, but we usually prefer, I think, depends on what you are saying, solda or soldan. For example, if something is on your left, so we say solda. Or if we say go straight and continue on the left, so that time we use soldan. Okay, so that time, for example, keep the left, for example. Keep the right. Okay, so that time we use soldan, sağdan. Alright, now let's repeat one more time. Solda, soldan. Sağda, sağdan. If it's fixed, then we use and we don't use an. If it's, you are moving, then you have to continue, which means you have to continue, so we have to use n. Okay. So sağda, sağdan. Köşede, köşeden. İleride, ileriden. Okay. Sometimes we remove this I letter. We say ileride, ileriden. We don't say I here. Alright. So geride, geriden. That means I think we use, from back. Or if you make a literal translation, it means from back. So let's see a few examples about these directions. For example, turn left on the first street. So in Turkish we say birinci sokak. Birinci sokak means first street. But there's on, so we use tan. Birinci sokaktan. Birinci sokaktan sola dön. Turn left, sola dön. Birinci sokaktan sola dön. Okay, next example. İkinci sokaktan sağa dön. Turn right. Turn right means sağa dön. On the second street means ikinci sokaktan. Okay. So düz git, go straight ahead. After, on your right, sağında, next to the cafeteria. Kafenin yanında. Go straight, düz git, on your right, sağında, near the or next to the cafeteria. Well, actually, when we say here yanında, which means next to. Kafenin yanında. Düz git, sağında, kafenin yanında. Let's see other examples here. For example, 100 meters ahead and on the left. But actually, I see here something incomplete. Which example you can say in English, it is or they are, blah, blah, blah. So we don't use this here in Turkish. So 100 meter ahead and on the left, we say in Turkish, 100 metre ileride sağda. On the left here, it says here on the left, this is wrong, this means right. Actually, I should say solda. Okay, solda. I'm sorry for this left, here, that means solda, not sağda. 100 metre ileride solda, because of the left. Hemen sağında, just on your right. If something like store or cafeteria or something else which is fixed, not moving, so we say here hemen sağında. That means just on your right. Düz git, go straight. Dümdüz git, well, actually, we use the same way. Düz git or dümdüz git, that means go straight ahead or go straight. That means don't turn left or right, okay? Follow the straight way. And okay, here also we say in Turkish, iki sokak sonra. On the left, solda. Something is fixed somewhere, so we say on the left, in Turkish, solda. And after, iki sokak sonra, after 2 streets. Okay, but actually we start like this. İki sokak sonra solda. That means pass 2 streets after you will see it on the left. So iki sokak sonra solda. Let's repeat one more time if you want to repeat it with me as well. Let me start slowly. 100 metre ileride sağ solda, because left, solda. Hemen sağında. Hemen sağında. Düz git. Dümdüz git. 2 sokak sonra solda. Okay, now let's see a few questions here, how we use this. Nerededir? Nerededir? Nerede bulabilirim? Nerede bulabilirim? Var mı buralarda? Var mı buralarda? Here are the English, questions, which are the, English versions. So here, let's see the expressions that people, native speakers actually say these expressions. Affedersiniz, affedersiniz. Excuse me, affedersiniz. Buralarda bir restoran, lokanta var mı? Buralarda bir restoran, lokanta var mı? Is there a restaurant near here or around here? Buralarda bir otel var mı? Buralarda bir otel var mı? Is there a hotel around here? Buralarda bir otel var mı? Buralarda bir petrol istasyonu var mı? Buralarda bir petrol istasyonu var mı? That means, is there a gas station near here or a petrol station near here? Buralarda bir eczane var mı? Buralarda bir eczane var mı? Drugstore or chemist. Buraya en yakın eczane nerededir? Buraya en yakın eczane nerededir? That means, where's the nearest drugstore or chemist around here? Okay. I hope it's helpful. Now let's see more examples with verbs, imperative verbs that you can hear from native speakers of Turkish. So, dön, turn, git, go, gör, see, bul, find, dön, git, gör, bul. Let's repeat one more time. Dön, git, gör, bul. For example, you will see, you will find, you will turn, you will go. In Turkish, you may hear this. Probably you will hear this if you have a dialogue, with people. So, sağda göreceksin. Sağda göreceksin. That means you will see on the right. Sağda göreceksin. Sağda göreceksin. Orada bulacaksın. Orada bulacaksın. You will find there. Sola döneceksin. Sola döneceksin. Sola döneceksin. You will turn left. Dümdüz gideceksin. Dümdüz gideceksin. Or you can say düz gideceksin. Okay, either way is okay. You will go straight or you will go straight ahead. Let's repeat one more time. Sağda göreceksin. You will find on the right. Orada bulacaksın. Orada bulacaksın. You will find there. Sola döneceksin. Sola döneceksin. You will turn left. Dümdüz gideceksin. Düz gideceksin. You will go straight ahead. Now let's see the summary part here before I end my lesson here. Solda soldan, sağda sağdan, köşede köşeden, ileride ileriden, geride geriden. But here, a little, reminding for you, I letter here, which we, most of the time remove it when we speak. So here, solda, soldan. As I told you before, if something is fixed, not moving, so that's why we use a, solda, sağda, köşede, ileride, geride. But if you are moving, then you have to say soldan. That means continue on the left, for example. Keep going on the left. Keep the left, for example. Okay, so these kind of expressions in English, which is the same as in Turkish here, soldan. So we have to use n all the time. All right, this is the end of my lesson. I hope it's helpful for you, for English speaker. I mean, for English Turkish learners. And don't forget to subscribe and like the lesson. If you have further request of watching more lessons, please write to me. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.